Jai Jagannath, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about types of event. So there are six types of event. First one is impossible event, sure event, mutual exclusive event, mutually exhaustive event, equally likely event, and six compound event. So first one, impossible event. Impossible event. That means let A be any experiment S be the sample space E be the event if for all x belongs to E such that x does not belong to S, then E is called impossible event. That means let experiment is tossing of a coin, and then sample space is head or tail. Let event is getting 6, then 6 does not belong to S. That means is impossible event, and always probability of impossible event equal to 0. That means second is sure event. If A be any experiment S be sample space, এটা সমতমর সমান আছে sample space E be the event. If E equal to S, then E is called sure event. Example, let tossing of a coin, then sample space is either head or tail. If you take event is getting either head or tail, then E equal to HT, getting either head or tail. Then in set E, what do you get? Both H and T. Then probability of E equal to E cardinality divided by sample space cardinality equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. This is called sure event. And always probability of sure event equal to 1. Third, mutually exclusive event. Let A be any experiment S be sample space E1 be the first event and E2 be the second event such that E1 intersection E2. If these two are event, then these two are both are set. Then E1 intersection E2 equal to such that 5. Then E1 and E2 are called mutually exclusive event. Example, tossing of a coin, sample space is at T. Let E1 is getting head, that means only H. Let E2 equal to getting L, that means only T. Now E1 intersection E2 equal to H intersection T equal to 5. That is E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive event. Let's take another example. A rolling of a dice. Rolling of a dice. If I take E1 equal to 2, 4, 6, that means getting even number, and E2 equal to 1, 3, 5, that means getting odd number. Now E1 intersection E2 equal to 5, that is E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive event. ये हबो fourth one, mutually exhaustive event. Same case, similar case, any experiment, A be the any experiment such that A be sample space, let E1 E2 be two event such that E1 union E2 equal to sample space. Then E1 and E2 are called mutually exhaustive event. Let A equal to tossing of a coin. So then sample space is head and tail. E1 equal to head, E2 equal to set of tail set. Means this is getting head, this is getting tail. Then now E1 union E2 equal to HT, which is equal to sample space. Then we can say that E1 and E2 are mutually exhaustive event. Now mutually exclusive, mutually exhaustive. What's the difference? If A, B are event, they are also A, B are two event. Here A intersection B equal to 5, here A union B equal to sample space. Then probability of A intersection B equal to A intersection B cardinality divided by sample space cardinality equal to 0 by sample space equal to 0. And probability of A union B equal to A union B cardinality divided by sample space cardinality equal to sample space cardinality divided by sample space cardinality equal to 1. If intersection is 5, then we call it as mutual exclusive event. If union equal to sample space, then we call it as mutually exhaustive event. Now, equally likely event. Let say A be any experiment. S be sample space E1 and E2 be two event. Now if probability of E1 equal to probability of E2, then E1 and E2 are called equally likely event. Example, same tossing of a coin, then sample space is head and tail. Let E1 equal to H, E2 equal to T, then probability of E1 equal to 1 by 2, probability of E2 equal to 1 by 2. Now here probability of E1 equal to probability of E2. Then E1 and E2 are equally likely event. You have studied compound event. Before discussing compound event, let me explain about what we have studied. First, outcomes. Outcome means the result of an experiment is called outcome. Then what is sample space? The set of all outcomes is called sample space. What is event? The subset of sample space is called event. Then what is simple event? The simple event is the event which have only one outcome is called simple event. That means I can say cardinality of simple event is called 1. Let tossing a coin, then sample space is head and tail. If I take event 1 equal to head, then cardinality of E1 equal to 1. Then E1 is called simple event. Why? Because there are only one outcomes. Now another example, if we roll a die, then sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I take a event 2, then cardinality of E1 equal to 1. That means E1 is called simple event. Now, what is compound event? Now, event which have more than one outcome or element is called compound event. That means cardinality of compound event is greater than 1. If I take E2 equal to ST in this experiment, then cardinality of E2 equal to 2, which is greater than 1. That is E2 is compound experiment. If I take E equal to 1 to 4, that means cardinality of E equal to 3, which is greater than 1. That is E is called compound event.